In this video, I will share with you how to add a word counter tool in Hostinger website builder. This is the design of the word counter tool that I will share with you how to add in Hostinger in this tutorial, and this is the HTML code that we will use. By the way, I will try my best to remember to attach this piece of code in this video description. If I forgot, just let me know in the comments below. Let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and click on websites list. Now scroll down and click on this edit website button next to your website. Just a quick tip: if you're like me, you have multiple different websites and you are looking for an easy way to easily distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger website builder, just look to this little icon next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon and this is a Hostinger builder website icon. Now click on edit website. This is my website in Hostinger, and the first thing I will do, I will create a new page. For that, I will go to pages and navigation and hit add page. I will select an empty page. Where is it? This is it. Now I will add a new section, and also I will create a blank section. Now click on add element and scroll down to the bottom and use this embed code element. Drag and drop it like that. Click on enter code. Delete this default code and copy the code I will share with you in this video description. Copy it like that and paste it here. Now click on embed code, make this word counter tool a little bit wider like that, and let's see it live. I forgot to say that you need to update your website to publish this new page and also this new tool. Let's view this website live. Where is my page? It's still called new empty page. Now let's test our word counter tool. Hey everyone, today, as you can see, the word automatically counts what I write here. So this word counter tool is working great. Now small details that we can tweak is if we want to get some viewers from Google search results, we need to optimize it for SEO. And by optimizing, I mean adding things like a text, photo, and video to this page, which is called on-page SEO. Before doing that, let's first show you how to edit this word counter. For example, let's say that you want to edit this word counter title. Just copy it like that and hit Command F on your keyboard if you're on Mac, or Control F if you're on a PC. Search for word counter, and as you can see, this is the H2 responsible for this title. You can edit this title, for example, for word counter tool for writers, for example. And as you can see, this is the line that is responsible for this big title. You can also edit this start type in word. Just look for start type in, and as you can see, this is the placeholder text. You can edit it here. Same thing for this word called words. This is it. And that's all for how to edit or how to play a little bit with this code. Now let's see how to optimize this page for the on-page SEO. I will use ChatGPT. I have a word counter counter web tool and I want to optimize it for SEO. Please write me a 1000 word description. What is a word counter? This is good. This is a very good title that I can use. Word counter online, free and accurate word and character only word count tool. This is the line responsible for the title. Let's update it. As you can see now, this is the paragraph that I will add in order to optimize this page. First, let's copy the updated code like that. Delete the old one, pass the new code, embed code. And now I think I will make this section a little bit longer and add this text element. Let's copy now. Let's just add a little photo, for example, or a video. I think this is a good video. Let's copy this video URL and add my video element here. Click on edit video, then replace or delete the old link and paste your link. The real role of this video is to not be watched by this page visitors, is only Google SEO. This is why we're placing it here at the bottom. I forgot to add the photo. This is why I think I will add it below the tool. Where is the image? Drag and drop this image element. Click on edit image, then replace image. Go to free images. I think this is a good photo to use. Add to page. Before I will SEO optimize this photo more by using an alternative text. Click on edit image. Let's say we are targeting the word counter online. We can use MacBook showing an online word counter, MacBook screen showing an online. Let's add a little animation to this photo. The first slide, this is the scale. Let's go with this scale animation. Now update your website and let's view this page live. I forgot to optimize or to edit this page name and URL. Till now it's only called page. I will call it our targeted word, which is word counter online. Go to pages and navigation, scroll to the new empty page, click on these three dots and rename the page first. For example, word counter online. This, as you can see, this is the new page URL, which is also optimized, and hit save. Now update your website again. Let's view this website. As you can see, now it's called word counter online, and also the same thing for the page URL. And this is the results. This is the word counter. This is the tool. Let's use it. Hey everyone, welcome to this page. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's correct, 6 words. This is our photo, text, and also the video for SEO to SEO optimize this page. Let's make this page a little bit longer and place the video here and update this page. And that was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.